Hell yeah.
So would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Christian Villeneuve, and I am a Techwear head.
Why are you talking like that?
It's acronym.
That is not an acronym.
Come on, dude, like acronym like the brand, man. It's a lifestyle.
What makes the outfit Techwear?
Well, I think it comes from the functionality. Like everything here is functional. You know, like this jacket is waterproof.
Oh shit! Oh, my bad, dude. No, I'm sorry.
No, don't worry, man. It's waterproof. It's waterproof. Oh shit! My bad, dude. My bad, man. I'm sorry.
Man.
I'm sorry.
You're getting it all over the jacket.
Isn't it waterproof anyways?
I know, but like, come on, man. Like, come on.
I'm sorry. So give us a rundown of your outfit.
Well, this is 11 by BBS, and there's like.
Yo, wait, I don't think the mic's picking you up.
And there's like super so many.
We can't hear you.
Julius
We can't hear you.
Cargos they got.
Yo, we can't hear you. The mic's not picking you up, man.
All right, guys. So this is my outfit. I got a lot of pockets, so there's a lot to talk about right now. I got my Nintendo Switch on my right pocket right away, and I got a PS4 controller just in case, and also a Switch controller because I got a Switch. I also got all these charging cables, and I got a measuring tape just in case I want to measure stuff. You'll see it later. And I got my phone charging cable over here. I got an iPhone 12, and I'm playing 2 games at once right now. It's crazy. I'm measuring the pole. See, look at that. It's functional.
So all the pockets, they have a function? Oh, yo, by the way, this place only takes cash. You got some cash on you?
Oh no, dude, it's too much to carry. I don't like carrying cash on me. It's just too much of a hassle. Where do you turn this on? Oh shit.
Yeah, I mean like. Yeah, like they could.
So who are your inspirations?
Well, definitely Errolson. That guy's like my idol, pretty much.
Errolson who?
Yeah, Errolson. Yeah, that guy. He's like an icon at this point. You know, I feel like.
Wait.
Kind of,
Errolson who?
yeah, Errolson Hugh.
Wait, who?
Errolson Hugh.
Who, me?
No, Errolson Hugh.
Errolson who?
Yes.
Who are you?
Yo.
Dude, just got this acronym jacket for a steal.
Oh yeah, how
It's
much?
crazy. It's
$800?
Yeah, $8,000. It was a steal.
That's a steal?
Yeah, dude, it's this rare collaboration with like Errolson. Yeah.
How do you afford all of this?
Crypto.
All right, what do you do in your day that makes your fit functional?
Well, I mean, you just gotta be ready, you know? You can't really predict the day, so.
Nobody can taste. Oh, no, my Prestos.
Do you dress like this all the time?
Hell yeah. Techwear, baby.
What about when you have to go to a formal or like a date or something?
When I am meeting with a lady, I do have some special stuff, actually. Let me just go grab it.
Okay.
So what'd you think about dinner? Actually, no, what do you think about my outfit?
You look like a fucking ninja.
Pretty cool,
You
right?
can literally go in the shadows, no one will even find you.
Yeah, right? See all these pockets?
You're Robert.
Isn't this cool?
Not a big in that outfit.
Do these pockets impress you?
Yeah, hella big.
Right?
You can put in there.
Dude, you know you can pour water on me, I'll be fine. I'll be perfectly fine.
Take a look at this bad boy, huh?
Oh, nice. Tell me more about it.
Snazzy. Well, it's a Gorilla Proof Vortex blazer. It's a weatherproof, all waterproof, ready to go. And also it's like kind of formal because of these lapels right here, but it's also a zipper and there's also a soft shell inside lining for whenever I'm like.
So what do you like to do? So what do you like to do for fun? Do you like to? What do you like? So. So Christian, what do you like to do to stay in shape?
Well, I really like just kind of anything physical works. Just like, you know, anything in the, I just kind of try to, you know, like I just, you know, like, you know, I just kind of.
Because you couldn't believe it was happening.
Hell yeah.
You couldn't believe
Cool. So what's your morning routine like?
Well, I wake up and then I try to get out of bed as soon as I wake up, you know, and then I go and first thing I do is I meditate, you know, I need a moment of silence, just some peace and quiet for myself.
So I understand your jacket has a lot of functionality. What's your favorite part about your jacket?
Well, it's funny. My favorite part is like when it gets hot and I take it off and then I wear it like a strap on, you know?
Wait, what? Say that again.
Like when it gets hot?
No, afterwards.
Oh, like when I take my jacket off.
No. After that.
Oh, well, I'm not done telling you what I do. So when I take my jacket off and I wear like a strap on, and it's so like when people have strap-ons, like dude, strap-ons are so freaking cool. I feel like it's underrated.
What are you talking about?
You know, like a good slung strap-on. You know?
What are you even talking about?
Like a strap-on jacket, like when your jacket is strapped on.
Oh, I thought you were talking about something else.
What?
What's some of your favorite cutting edge tech?
I'm not really into like the super unnecessarily extra stuff. I'm really more into like the functional, solving human problem stuff, like Squarespace, you know?
What about stuff like SpaceX, Tesla, Virgin Galactic?
Squarespace is the best place to make a website for absolutely anything. They got a ton of designer award-winning templates so you can make your website look exactly how you want it. Personally, I'm just gonna show you how easy it is. I'm gonna make this Techwear website for no reason, just for fun, just for a treat. I'm gonna make this whole ass, look at this. I'm making a whole Techwear website time-lapse for fun. But a website's probably the best thing that you can make for your business, for your art, for your portfolio. It doesn't matter. So go to squarespace.com/frugalaesthetic. You'll get 10% off your first order. And also you get a free trial of the website builder. Like I just did. You can go make a cool website for fun if you want to. I don't know. Go see if you like it or not. Go to squarespace.com/frugalaesthetic forever.
Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you liked it. If you like Techwear content like this, you can go check out my boy Fly with Johnny Ty. He helped me film this video. He got hella Techwear content on his channel. I feel like it's more informational than this one. But also, I can't leave out the king. This is Antoine. He's probably one of the inspirations for this whole thing. He's pushing the envelope for Techwear all the damn time, so I gotta show some love. And both of these guys will be in the description. They're some of my favorites, and the two of them will be right next to my Discord link. You can go join the Born Again Christian server now. We're going crazy. It's stupid. We're going crazy. So go join that now. Thank you for watching the video. Leave a comment on which other looks you want to see.